Listen to this. The summer of 2025 just broke temperature records in 47 states, and portable air conditioner sales have jumped 340% compared to last year. But here's the crazy part. Most people are buying the wrong ones and basically throwing money out the window. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jesse, your guide to the best, worst, and everything in between. Let's dive into today's top 5. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 portable ACs that actually deliver in 2025. And trust me, after testing these units in my sweltering garage lab for 3 weeks straight, I've got some shocking discoveries that could save you hundreds of dollars and a whole lot of sweaty nights. Here's what nobody tells you about portable ACs. And this blew my mind when I first learned it. Most people think bigger BTUs automatically mean better cooling, right? Wrong. I watched my neighbor Dave spend $600 on a 14,000 BTU unit that couldn't even cool his 200 square foot bedroom. Meanwhile, my friend Sarah's smaller dual hose unit was turning her living room into an icebox. The truth is, there are 3 massive lies the industry doesn't want you to know. First, those old ASHRAE BTU ratings, they're basically marketing fiction. The real number you need is called SACC, and it's usually 30% lower than what's advertised. Second, single hose units actually make your room hotter by pulling in outside air. And third, that whisper quiet claim? Some of these units sound like a freight train running through your bedroom. But that's not the whole story. The 2025 portable AC market has completely transformed, and honestly, it's exciting. We're seeing dual hose technology that actually works, smart features that aren't just gimmicks, and energy efficiency that won't destroy your electric bill. I've been tracking the top-rated units on Amazon, reading through thousands of real customer reviews, and running my own side-by-side tests. The game changers this year are inverter compressors that can save you 40% on energy costs, ultra-quiet modes hitting just 42 decibels. That's quieter than your refrigerator. And app controls that actually make sense. Plus, these new self-evaporating systems mean you're not constantly emptying water buckets like it's 2010. Here's where things get interesting. After 3 weeks of testing, measuring temperatures every hour, and dealing with noise complaints from my neighbors, I found 5 units that absolutely crushed the competition. These aren't just the most popular ones. These are the units that deliver real results, real value, and real relief when you need it most. Let me walk you through each one, starting with our budget champion. First up is the Yohomi 10,000 BTU portable AC, and let me tell you, this little guy punches way above its weight class. At just $270, it's become the go-to choice for college students and apartment dwellers who need serious cooling without breaking the bank. Here are the 5 features that make this unit special. First, you get 6,000 SSACC BTUs of real cooling power. That's enough for up to 450 square feet. Second, the sleep mode automatically drops noise to just 52 decibels and dims the display. Third, it's got 3 modes in one: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan only. Fourth, installation is a breeze with their universal window kit and hidden handles. And fifth, that 24-hour timer actually remembers your settings after power outages. The good news? Customer reviews are singing its praises. One buyer said, "This thing cooled my 300 square foot bedroom in 20 minutes flat." Another mentioned, "Installation took me 15 minutes and I'm not handy at all." The value for money is incredible. But here's the reality check. You're not getting smart features at this price point. The remote is basic. There's no app control, and the window kit might need trimming for some setups. Also, if you're trying to cool a massive room, this isn't your unit. If you're a renter, student, or anyone who needs reliable cooling for bedrooms, dorm rooms, or small apartments without spending a fortune, this is your winner. It's perfect for people who value simplicity and effectiveness over fancy features. I'm giving the Yohomi a solid 4 out of 5 stars. It delivers exactly what it promises at an unbeatable price point. The only reason it's not a perfect 5 is the lack of smart features that we're seeing become standard in 2025. But wait, what if you do want those smart features? Enter the Black Plus Decker BPAC 14WT at $380. This is where portable ACs start getting seriously smart. This unit brings your cooling into the future with Wi-Fi control, voice commands, and that genius Follow Me remote that I'm honestly obsessed with. Let me break down what makes this thing special. First, full Wi-Fi connectivity with the Black Plus Decker app that actually works smoothly. Second, Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility for voice control. Third, that Follow Me remote acts like a personal thermostat measuring temperature right where you're sitting. Fourth, it pumps out 7,700 SACs BTUs to cool up to 700 square feet. And fifth, those adjustable vent louvers give you precise airflow control. Customers love the convenience factor. One reviewer wrote, "I can turn on my AC from work and come home to a perfectly cool apartment." Another said, "The Follow Me feature is a game changer. No more hot and cold spots." However, there's a trade-off. This unit is definitely more power hungry than competitors, so expect higher electric bills. Some customers also report that it can get noisy under heavy load, around 59 decibels. And being a single hose design, it's not as efficient as dual hose units. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts who want convenience and control. If you're someone who loves smart home integration, works irregular hours, or wants to set cooling schedules, this unit will make your life easier. I'm rating this 4 out of 5 stars. The smart features work brilliantly and the cooling power is solid. It loses a point for the higher energy consumption and single hose design, but the convenience factor almost makes up for it. Speaking of efficiency, let me show you what happens when a company gets it right. At $500, the Midea Duo Smart Inverter is the premium option that's rewriting the rules of portable AC efficiency. This is the unit that made me believe portable ACs could actually compete with window units. And here's why. This unit has 5 breakthrough technologies. First, the dual hose design that prevents negative pressure is a total game changer. Second, inverter technology saves 40% on energy costs compared to standard units. Third, ultra-quiet operation at just 42 decibels, literally quieter than most libraries. Fourth, smart app control with scheduling and monitoring. And fifth, that innovative hose-in-hose design that locks cool air in and forces hot air out. The customer feedback is incredible. One reviewer said, "This thing is so quiet, I have to check if it's running." Another wrote, "My electric bill dropped $50 per month after switching from my old unit. The build quality feels premium, and the extensive window kit fits virtually any setup." The downside, it's definitely an investment at $500. Some customers found the initial setup more complex than basic units. And if you're only cooling a tiny space, you're probably overpaying for features you won't use. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products I'm covering today, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. Make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. If you're serious about efficiency, hate noise, and plan to use your portable AC regularly, this is worth every penny. It's ideal for master bedrooms, home offices, or anyone who values quality and long-term savings over upfront cost. This gets my first perfect 5 out of 5 stars. The Midea Duo delivers on every promise: efficiency, quiet operation, smart features, and cooling power. It's simply the best portable AC I've tested in 2025. But what if you want smart features without the premium price? For $350, Midea's standard 8500 BTU model hits that perfect balance of features and affordability. It's like getting the younger brother of our efficiency king, still smart, still effective, just sized for smaller spaces and budgets. Here's what you get for your money. First, 5,000 SACC BTUs that efficiently cool up to 150 square feet. Second, full app control with iOS and Android compatibility. Third, voice assistant support for Alexa and Google. Fourth, auto evaporation technology that eliminates daily water drainage. And fifth, washable filters that save money on replacements. Customers appreciate the reliability and ease of use. One buyer noted, "Perfect for my bedroom. Cools fast and the app is simple to use." Another said, "Installation was straightforward and it's been running flawlessly for 6 months." The limitations are clear though. It's really designed for smaller spaces. Some customers wish it were quieter, and the single hose design isn't as efficient as premium dual hose units. The remote is also pretty basic compared to higher-end models. This is perfect for people with smaller bedrooms, home offices, or studio apartments who want smart features without paying premium prices. If you need app control and voice commands but don't have a huge space to cool, this nails it. I'm giving this 4 out of 5 stars. It's an excellent middle ground option that delivers smart features and reliable cooling for smaller spaces. The value proposition is solid, even if it's not groundbreaking. Now, what if size isn't an issue and you need serious power? Finally, we have the heavy hitters, 16,000 plus BTU units, around $600, that are designed for one thing: maximum cooling power. These aren't for everyone, but when you need to cool large spaces or open floor plans, nothing else comes close. These powerhouses bring 5 serious advantages. First, 12,000 plus SACC BTUs that can handle 500 plus square feet easily. Second, professional grade compressors are built for continuous operation. Third, advanced dehumidification removes 70 plus pints per day. Fourth, multiple drainage options, including gravity drain and pump systems. And fifth, heavy-duty construction that's built to last years of hard use. Customers with large spaces are thrilled. One wrote, "Finally, something that can cool my 600 square foot living room properly." Another said, "It's loud but powerful. Exactly what I needed for my workshop." But these aren't without downsides. They're expensive to buy and operate, weighing 70 plus pounds and consuming serious electricity. The noise levels can be significant under full load, and they're definitely overkill for typical bedrooms or small apartments. These are for people with large rooms, open floor plans, sunrooms, or even light commercial spaces. If you've struggled with underpowered units before and have the space and budget, these deliver uncompromising cooling power. I'm rating these 4 out of 5 stars. They excel at their specific job, cooling large spaces, but the high cost, noise, and power consumption prevent a perfect score. They're specialized tools for specific needs. Bottom line, the Uhomey wins on budget. The Black Plus Decker brings smart convenience. The Midea Duo is the efficiency champion. The Midea Standard hits the sweet spot, and high output units dominate large spaces. Look for SACC ratings over ASHRAE and consider dual hose designs for the best efficiency. Which portable AC matches your space and budget? Drop a comment below with your room size and I'll recommend the perfect unit for your situation. If this saved you from a costly mistake, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest cooling reviews that cut through the marketing hype. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more top picks. Your shortcut to the best. Until next time, keep it top tier.